What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Budget TJ build. You have to excuse my voice, I'm coming off of a cold, so apologize for that in advance. But I recently did a fender swap, which required me to wire in LEDs for the turn signals, and I was having troubles with that, especially because I also have LED taillights. So after doing research, I wasn't really finding, you know, full answers on that. So I wanted to share with you what I figured out um, with my Jeep. So if you check it out, I had to get a new uh, relay, and that actually mounts. I'll show you over here. So it's actually underneath the dash, which I got it sitting right there. You can modify the bracket to hang it back up where it goes, or you can zip tie it in. But you definitely have to swap that out because that was my biggest issue. And then also, if you check it out over on this side, so a lot of the excuse me, tube fenders will come with this 2-wire, and that wasn't working very well for whatever reason. I was actually popping fuses and stuff. So what I did is I bought, which these are a little better quality. I bought a 3-wire LED off of Amazon for, I think it was $15 for 4 of them. So definitely worth spending the money. And then this was about $15 too. Not very common, I guess, so I was having trouble finding it at the parts stores and stuff like that. But if you look, that's just the factory harness plug, and I just got those rested in there for now. Um, it's actually, looks like your yellow goes to like the cream, peach, whatever color, and then my red goes to the black and yellow, and then the black actually goes to the black. So, and with that, I was able to get the turn signals working, so I can finally finish this tube fender install. So I'm gonna put everything together and then show you guys the finished product. Alright, as you can see, I got everything put back together, and there's the final look at it. So once again, that's what you're looking for, EP26 relay, and then you'll want to go with a 3-wire turn signal. I think there is a way to do it with the 2-wire, but you know, for hassle and ease, it was worth it to me to spend the $15 and just order the new ones, and I got backups in case they ever go bad. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I appreciate everyone for watching, and stay tuned for more on the Budget TJ build.